Hello, beautiful people. What's on the menu today? Fried whiting. Doesn't that look good? Stay tuned if you want to learn how to make your fish look like this and be oh so good. And we're using this. Has a little twist of real lemon in it. Okay, beautiful ones. Today I will be frying fish. I'm making whitening today. So I have my whitening fillets here. And I have another glass pan here. I am going to put my fish cornmeal on that side. I want to show you guys what I am using. This has lemon in it, so I figured that should be super good. Because this is already seasoned, what I'm going to do is lightly season my fillets. I'm going to use a little bit of this Himalayan salt. Just a good little sprinkle because you don't want them too salty because of the cornmeal is already pre-seasoned. Okay, so I'm going to take my onion powder and I'm going to do the same thing. Just give it a light little sprinkle. My garlic powder. Do the same thing. And a little bit of regular pepper. When you're dealing with fish, you don't have to use a lot of seasoning. I like the seasoning of the fish to actually shine through. Alrighty, and we will go on the opposite side and season as well. Just very lightly again, because the cornmeal is already seasoned. We don't want to over season. It's nothing worse. You can come back from not enough salt, but you can't come back from too much salt. So we definitely want to stay in a safe area. So I'm just going to put the pepper on that side. Okay, so as I show you with this Louisiana fish fry, it's basically cornmeal with different seasoning, but it has real lemon in it. And so that's going to give me that lemon flavor, that kind of tangy zest that I look for when I'm frying my fish. Anyhow, I've already got my grease prepared and I will be dropping the fish into the hot grease. I hear it, so I believe it's ready. So I'm just going to give it a nice little turnover and drop it in the grease. Okay, so you don't want too many in there. You want the fish to be able to fry. So if you add too many pieces, it'll actually slow the cooking down and you won't get that good crispy breading. Isn't that a beautiful piece of fish? All finished. Would you look at this whiting? It looks absolutely delicious. Beautiful. Okay, people, and what I like to do is add a little bit of lemon juice on top of the fish. Okay, now that I have my fish from being fried, I have got to taste it. I have to take a bite. You guys know me. You've been watching for a while. Please like and subscribe and don't forget to comment. But for right now, I'm going to taste a little bit of this fish. We're just going to break this piece off right here. Let's get our taste buds shocked. That's pretty darn good. I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.